Have you ever watched a stock shoot up or drop aggressively and wondered how institutions catch these massive intraday breakouts before they happen? If the secret lies in a highly specific 5-candle footprint known as the volume flip 5 pattern. Today, we are going to decode this hidden institutional pattern so you can find the exact points where the market flips direction. This pattern relies entirely on a sequence of 5 specific volume bars. Here is the exact rule you need to follow. The first 2 volume candles must be the same color. The third candle must be a different, opposite color. Finally, the fourth and fifth candles must revert to the exact same color as the first 2. This brief anomaly in the middle is the secret to the entire strategy. Why does this happen? The third candle represents a sudden, sharp anomaly where buyers or sellers temporarily fought for control before the original trend resumed. Why does this happen? Out of all 5 candles in this formation, this third, differently colored candle is the most critical one. Why does this happen? This is your flip candle, the exact point where institutional liquidity was tested and trapped. Once you spot this 5-candle sequence, look directly up at the price candle corresponding to that third volume bar. You only need to mark the highest high and the lowest low of this single middle candle. By doing this, you have successfully drawn an elite point of action. You don't need to do any heavy lifting to find support or resistance. This single candle does the work for you. By doing this, you have successfully drawn an elite point of action. Now that your zone is marked, it is time to execute. Wait for the price to return to this precise zone on a 5-minute time frame. Because this is a highly sensitive flip zone, you must wait for your entry confirmations, such as a double bullish or double bearish pattern, to form right at this level. Wait for the price to return to this precise zone on a 5-minute time frame. Once the price breaks out of that confirmation pattern, execute your trade and ride the institutional momentum. Wait for the price to return to this precise zone on a 5-minute time frame.